This 5-minute solution will show you how to uninstall League of Legends. First of all, click on these show hidden icons and here right click on Riot Client and click on exit. Also close League of Legends from your computer and now click on the search icon and type here League of Legends. Right click on League of Legends and click on uninstall, and here scroll down and search for League of Legends. Right click on it, click on uninstall, and as you can see my League of Legends has been successfully uninstalled. Also scroll down and search for Riot Client. Right click on it, click on uninstall, and that's it. This is how we can uninstall League of Legends. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.